Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a time lock app. First, download and open the app from your device's app store. Upon launching, you'll see the main dashboard, which displays your current lock status and available features. Tap on the New Lock option to begin configuring your first time-restricted access. This initial setup is crucial for effectively managing your digital habits and ensuring focused productivity. Now, let's configure your time lock. You can select individual applications or entire categories of content you wish to restrict. Next, specify the duration of the lock, perhaps for 30 minutes or several hours, depending on your needs. Finally, choose a robust unlocking method, such as a complex passcode or a time-delayed release, to ensure the lock remains effective. This step is vital for maintaining discipline. Once your content is locked, managing it is straightforward. The app provides a clear overview of all active time locks, showing which apps or files are currently restricted. You can easily modify the duration of an existing lock if your schedule changes, adding or subtracting time as needed. Some apps offer an emergency override, but use it sparingly to maintain the integrity of your digital boundaries. To maximize your app's potential, explore advanced features like recurring lock schedules for daily focus. The app also offers insightful analytics, showing your screen time patterns and helping you understand your digital habits better. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Using these tools effectively can significantly boost your productivity and digital well-being.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.